All right, this is at Arapahoe Community College. So right there we have two modded elevators that have ThyssenKrupp. And across from them we have a Dover. Looks like it's used as a service car.
Yes,
This one doesn't have a bumper.
no, we can ride it.
PH?
Nope.
Locked.
It's kind of cool. There's a PH over
Are you filming too?
there. No. Just,
Okay, that makes no sense. The passenger elevators are shorter than the service, but the shorter passenger elevators are traction and the taller service elevators hydraulic. That's really weird. That's a very strange setup.
yeah. I should see about getting the second, third, fourth.
Oh, the maps?
Yeah.
Also,
Every floor
Yeah.
starts at 1.
13, 12. Yeah, because the one for some reason is
Doesn't go out.
dimly lit. And 1, 12, 13, 14, and 1 pH.
1 pH.
1 pH.
I just say 1 P.
I like the tray lighting up here. That's nice.
Is there a stairs?
And that's it.